So we have several forms of GBV, not just in Nakuru but generally. So we have the issue of indecent assault. That mostly is meted upon the children. As a children practitioner, those are the prevalent cases that we've encountered in courts. Then we have defilement cases. We also have rape cases. The difference between defilement and rape is defilement is where a child is involved, and rape is where it's an adult, a victim is an adult. And then we have assault. We also have those are basically a common forms of GBV within Nakuru. Then of course we have the cases of sexual assault. Sexual assault can be physical, it can also be oral, like the way it happens, you're passing by and someone just happens to comment something, or happens to touch you in an indecent way. So those are that one forms part of the forms of GBV that we have. And then we have child pornography. You find that most children nowadays, they're being exposed to child pornography. We also have exploitation of prostitution. That is where people will take advantage of you. They use you for prostitution, maybe to get money, and that is a very common form of GBV, because you find that some of these people, they do it basically to earn a living out of it. So those are a few forms of GBV that we have around. Again, we have laws that protect GBV victims. To begin with, we have the Constitution of Kenya. Constitution of Kenya protects against GBV in form of right to be your dignity to be upheld. And then we have in Article 2(6) of the Constitution, it recognizes international laws that form part of our laws in Kenya, and of course they also advocate for, or rather against, GBV. Then we have Sexual Offences Act of 2006. It's a law of Kenya. Then we have the Penal Code that basically deals with the issue of punishment of GBV offenders. Then we have a protection against domestic violence. Then we have prohibition of female genital mutilation act. You note that this is a GBV that is done mostly in some communities in Kenya. So basically that is also a form of GBV. We also have Counter Trafficking of Persons Act. So basically those are the laws that protect the issues of GBV in Kenya. Yes. So what I would like to urge members of the public, or basically the victims who face such GBV cases, one is to speak out. It's good to speak out, to report those cases as fresh as they are. And if someone is encountered with a case of, let's say, defilement or rape, let them not clean up. Because you find that once someone is a victim of rape or defilement, the first thing they do is to take shower. That is discouraged, because if you take shower or you clean up those clothes, you find that you are watering down evidence. So when it comes to court, it will be very hard to prove that case. So if you are raped or defiled in one or another, kindly don't take shower. Then those clothes that you are attacked with, make sure that they are well kept. Don't wash them. Don't do away with them. Those are the kind of evidence that is needed in court. Yes. So basically, if you are a victim of GBV, it can be domestic violence at home. Kindly report. Make a report to the police station. Let them take up. In a number of police stations, we have GBV desk. They are there, like in Nakuru here, Central Police Station, we have a GBV desk. In Kaptemba, we have a GBV desk. So let members of public come out and speak out. This is not the era where people used to speak and they were victimized, they were intimidated, they were threatened. If there's such a case, report it to the police station. But what we urge members of the public is to speak up when such things happen to them. Let them not be victims. Let them not shut down. Let them not hold it up. The best thing they can do is to report it. Yes.